Hi there. On this video, I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT not working on PC. To start, open any browser on your PC. In this case, I'm using Google Chrome. Now, go to the three dots and click on Settings. Once I'm on Settings, I will go to Privacy and Security. On Privacy and Security, click on Cookies and Other Site Data. Once you're there, scroll down and look for See All Site Data and Permissions. Once there, you can see all the websites that you have previously browsed. Now click on Clear Data. Alright, read that and then click on Clear. Once you're done clicking on Clear Data, go to Sort By. Click the drop down and go to Name. Now, open another tab. On the new tab, type in ChatGPT. Hit Enter. This will lead you to google.com. Click on the first website that appears on your search bar. That's openai.com. And that's it. Everything should work now. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe.